Lesson 11. QBasic Statements. A programming language has its specific keywords and syntax to communicate with the computer. QBasic also has some instructional statements that help in giving instructions to the computer at the time of programming. Assignment statement. The assignment statement or let statement is used to assign a value to a variable. In QBasic, using let statement and line numbers are optional. Syntax: line number, let, variable name, value or expression. Example: a equal to 5. It will assign the value 5 to a. Sum equal to a plus b. It will add a and b and assign the result to variable sum. Let a equals to 10, b equal to 15, c equals to a into b, print c, and print command. We use the print statement to display the output on a screen. Constants, variables, or expressions will be printed by this statement. Syntax: line number, print, constant or string constant or variable or expression. Example: print 20 plus 108. It will print 30 minus the sum of 20 and 10. Print God bless you 8. It will print the message God bless you. Print A. It will print the current value of variable A. Print the value of A is A. It will print message the value of A is, and after that print the value of variable A. The print command is used with different variations to print the output in different forms. Print with semicolon. This will allow you to print the values one after the other without any space in between. Syntax: line number, print, variable, semicolon, variable, semicolon, variable. Example: let x dollar equal to my name. Let y dollar equal to is. Let z dollar equal to Ria. Print x dollar semicolon y dollar semicolon z dollar. Print x dollar semicolon y dollar semicolon z dollar and print with comma. Print with comma is used to print the values one after the other with plenty of spaces in between. In one line, only 5 values can be printed. In case there is more than 5 values, the remaining values will be printed on the next line. Syntax: line number, print, variable, comma, variable. Example: let x equal to 78, let y equal to 22, z equal to x plus y. Print x, y, sum, z. And print with tab function. The tab function is used to move the print position to the column indicated in its argument. For printing tabular type of results, this statement is quite suitable. Print tab statement can be used in controlling column location. Syntax: print tab C constant variable expression, where C is the column number. Example: print tab 18 semicolon good evening. In the above example, the message good evening will be printed from the 18th column onwards on the screen. Rem tab function program. Print tab 10 name tab 20 marks. Print tab 10 Raman tab 20 62. Print tab 10 Manas tab 20 90. Print tab 10 Kabir tab 20 92. Print tab 10 Ridhima tab 20 98. And leaving blank lines. If blank lines are to be left in between while printing an output, the print statement is given. For example, RAM printing blank lines. Print hard work is the key. Print to success. And it will print hard work is the key to success. CLS command. This command is used to clear the screen. Syntax: CLS. Input statement. The input statement in QBasic accepts the data item from the user. As each value is typed in, it is assigned to the suitable variable. Thus, if we execute the statement input A, the terminal will print. Awaiting the user's response, remember that we suspend the program execution until we enter the value and press the enter key. The type data must be in the same order as the variables in the input statement. If we enter more or insufficient data, or if the data type does not match the variable type, then it will be responded by BASIC by promoting the error message. Redo from start. We may provide this statement with an optional message to make the user clear about the input. When the BASIC waits for the user's input, this message will be displayed. This will let us understand what the program expects as input. Syntax: line number, input, numeric or string variable name. Example: 10 input A. You can have a list of variables in an input statement, but they should be separated by commas. Syntax: line number, input, variable 1, variable 2, variable 3. The response values should be separated by commas. Example: RAM program to accept values. Input name $, input class, input school $, print name $, comma class, comma school $, end. While using input statement, the computer does the following things. It stops further processing of the program. It prints a question mark on the screen. It waits for the user to key in its response and press enter key. It stores or assigns the same data item into the corresponding variables mentioned in the input statement. We can further modify input statement by providing an optional message, separating it from a variable using semicolon. Example: syntax: Input message variable. Input maths M. Input computer C. Input science S. Input English E. Input Hindi H. Input total marks TM. Sum equal to M plus C plus E plus S plus H. Per equal to sum slash TM into 100. Print sum equal to sum. Print percentage marks equal to per. End. Note that the punctuation between the message and the variable should be a semicolon. The message and the variable name together represent one data item. You can also input a statement in the following way. Syntax, line number, input, message, variable. Message, variable. 2 points for review. A programming language has its specific keywords and syntax to communicate with the computer. The assignment statement or let statement is used to assign a value to a variable. We use the print statement to display the output on a screen. The input statement in QBasic accepts the data from the user.